Hi guys, Quark is back with another video, and today I'll be teaching you how to create a slow mode command. Code dot, and let's go to our. So we'll copy the ping command and put it inside moderation. Slow mode. Channel. And let's do permission checking first. .member.has permission. Return message .channel .send. No permission. And we should do, if there's no arc0, then message dot channel dot send slow mode has been turned off. And before that we should do message dot channel dot set rate limit per user to be 0. Then we'll do a const raw time equal arcs 0. Const let's do millisecond equal ms raw. So we'll be using ms module today, so let's const ms equal require ms. I've already installed it. If you want to install this, just do npm ims. So after that we will do if it's not a number millisecond, then return message dot channel dot send time is not a number. If millisecond is less than 1000, return message dot channel dot send what I should do it. Minimum time is less is 1 second, not less than. Yeah, I was thinking about the word for it, and let's do message dot message dot channel dot set rate limit per user to be millisecond divided by 1000. After that we'll do message dot channel dot send slow mode for it should be backticks. Slow mode for this channel has been set to, and we'll do ms inside will be millisecond and comma make it long true, as you can see here, option. And then we should add this, I think it's behind here. Oh, remove this. Format the document. Just seems something wrong. Oh, it should be comma. Format. Alright. So this one is slow mode command. Let's try it out. No dot. Slow mode is added. So let's do record first to clear up if I do slow mode has been turned off. Slow mode 1. Wait, I mean, sorry. It should be slow mode. Slow mode 1 second. Alright. Raw is not defined. Raw. What is raw? Oh, it should be raw time. Maybe I didn't press tab. So slow mode 1 second. It will be slow mode for this channel has been set to 1 second. If I do slow mode 10 second, it will set to be 10 second. If I do slow mode 1 hour, it will be 1 hour. So if I do slow mode, it will be slow mode has been turned off. So that's it for this video, guys. It is quick and easy. And I'll show you that. For example, if you go to edit channel, you see a range, right? For example, if I want to do, let's say 3 hours, slow mode 3h, it will set the slow mode to be 3 hour. However, when you go here, it would show 2 hour. But don't worry, because right here it will tell you that it is 3 hour. So yeah. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you got any problem, feel free to join my Discord server, and see you again.